Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Justice, and I'm back with another review and a tutorial and a new unboxing. I decided to do an unboxing because I haven't, done anything like that yet on my channel, so let's get started with it. Okay, I have some new hair. It is from Missblue hair from AliExpress. It is Kinky straight. Brazilian Kinky straight. It's a drawstring ponytail. As you can see, I have my natural hair put in a ball. So it's the ponytail face. So yeah. As you can see, I just received it in the mail from FedEx. So it's also my first time opening it. So let's see. So hopefully I like it, so let's pray. If not, I'm gonna get mad because I just spent that much on it. Yes, anyway. Oh, her. This should be well, it should be 28 inches. I got it in 28 inches, so. Okay. It's definitely, it doesn't have, it smells like normal hair, human hair. And yeah, this is the ponytail, as you can see. I love it. It's very soft. Doesn't tangle. Got probably just one bitty strand of hair. I don't know if you can see that. Just one small strand of hair. So yeah. So yeah, this is the ponytail. 28 inches. The only thing I see that I'm gonna have to do in order, because for my liking, is add a bundle of kinky straight hair to this, so it can be a much fuller for my liking. So go ahead and try her on. Oh, in case it came with this little thingy here, little sponge. I guess it's for makeup or whatever. Yeah, I guess it's for like makeup. Then it comes with these wig caps, which is the great color for me. Okay, so let's try her on. Okay, now we have it off. So yeah. And in case you're wondering about the cap construction, you get two combs at the top and one at the bottom. Then it comes with this drawstring here. So, yes. And this is 100% virgin human hair. So you can dye it, color it, whatever you want to do. Okay. Here we go. You see me now? This is me now. Okay, and this is with the ponytail. So you can automatically see a difference already that fast. It's a difference. It's amazing what a difference of some hair can do to you. But yes, child, yes, I feel that I'm gonna feel myself. Hold on. Shit, damn, all motherfucking ready. This shit breaking and shit. Look at this shit here. Now I gotta fix it. I don't even think I can fix that. Hold on a minute. So you just don't embarrass me like that in front of my damn YouTube viewers. Now I have to fix this shit. I don't know how to fix this. Missblue hair. Really? Why would you do that to me? Send me this drawstring ponytail like this. Now, how do I do this? Okay. Put this in here. Okay. Got her back on now, so better tie this into a knot before that happens again, because I do not want that to happen again. That's, you know, we don't want no damn shit like that happen on YouTube. Yeah, so yes, the drawstring. So if you do order this, I guess look at the drawstring and make sure that it's tight, because this, it probably was tight, it just probably wasn't tight enough, so I'm tightening her back. Tying her in another knot and tightening her back. So yeah, hard with these nails, you know, but whatever, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna get her together, okay? We're gonna get her right together. Okay, now there we go. Got her in a nice little decent knot or whatever. Hopefully I don't have that problem again. So let's see. Let's try this one last time. Like I said, you see me like this now. Now watch. Here's the ponytail. Put her right in there. Get her very fucking tight. Does she feel secure? Oh, okay, now she's very secure now. You see this is her now? I just wish it was a lot more hair, but hey, I got something for her. I'm gonna add a bundle to it soon, so. This in the hair. Let me fix that drawstring back here. Very difficult to do on a camera, on my phone camera, because I don't have a mirror. I'm used to a mirror, but whatever, make it work. Okay. And this is a ponytail. Ooh, look at me, I look different already. So yeah, this is a ponytail. And I'm just using a little Dollar Tree brush. And, ooh, she just brushes right through. See that? So, this is what she looks like. And let me show you the back. Very cute. In case you're wondering, she stops it out down there. Yeah, almost, well, directly on top of my butt. Just wish it was a lot more hair, but hey, we can make it work. So yeah, so this is the hair. I like it. It's very soft. And you see that? Yeah, you usually could take it like a piece of hair and just wrap it, but I'll finish it once I'm done with this video. But yeah, this is the hair. I look like a little black Barbie doll. Yeah, this is the hair. Yes, this is the hair. And once again, this is 100% human hair. So you, if you want, if your hair is like a different color, you can dye this the same color, and you're good to go. Got another strand. It's not shedding much. It just has one little strand there. As you can see, do you see it? Just this little bit of strand. Just one strand of hair. And that's it. But other than that, it's some nice hair. It's straight. I mean, well, it's soft. It's not tangling or nothing. I actually had a ponytail. Ooh, it kind of blends with my hair though. I like that. But yeah, I actually had a ponytail like this before, but it was synthetic. I don't. If you go on my Instagram, you might see me with a ponytail. It was kind of similar to this, but that one was synthetic. This is real human hair. So now I ain't gotta worry about no motherfucking shedding. Oh, I can't stand that. No shedding, no matting up at the back of my neck, sticking together in clumps. Ain't gotta worry about that. I can swing her around. Yeah, swing her around, dog. What you say? Oh, what you say? Oh, what you say? Oh, yes. Yeah, this is that ponytail. I'm feeling myself. Look like a little black Barbie doll. Yep. But yeah, guys, so this is Missblue hair from AliExpress. Missblue hair. This is my first time ordering from this company, but yeah. I ordered this hair probably like Monday night, and I just got it today, which is Thursday. So yeah, and she's very soft. But yeah, this video is getting a little bit too long, so if you like this hair, let me know. Comment below. I'll leave everything in the description box. So yeah, stay tuned next time, and I'll catch you guys later. Mwah.